Let me show you how I integrated a SwiftUI view in a UIKit collection view cell. So actually, let me show you a short overview of what I'm going to perform. So the old UI actually looks like this, but all I want to do is just to update the UI and to use SwiftUI. Alright, so let's get started. According to the documentation, cell has a content configuration property that allows us to integrate SwiftUI components. To do that, we have to use UI hosting configuration content creates a hosting configuration with the given content. All right, content. Okay, I'm not happy with that. I'm gonna select manually. All right, for now, we are not gonna use actually UIKit version. We could delete it, no problem. So we are good to go. So according to the documentation that says that we are good to go, let's start our journey. I'm gonna Z-stack. All right, we have Z-stack. Okay, I use Z-stack. Now, in this Z-stack, what I'm gonna have? I'm gonna have an image. Okay, let's see. Let's use this initializer actually and the resource. I know that I have an item that has this image. All right. Okay, we have to resize, and we gonna use scaled to fit or scale to fill. All right, so this is similar in like in UIKit, scale to fit, scale to fill. All right, but as I have not such good quality for the image because this is a simple project, I'm going to use another modifier, image scale, and this makes me to choose what kind of scale of the image to be. I'm going to use medium. Alright, why we have to use resizable image scale? If we don't use them, the image will take all the space in the UI, so it will be rendered actually as its original size. Alright, so let me show you right now. Let me build first of all, and let's see. Build succeed. Here we go. Let's see what do we have. So we have this screen. Right now, on the UI, everything is rendered properly. Okay, next. Right, what's gonna be next? Oops, sorry. I'm gonna stop the project. All right, so next I'm gonna use a label, or actually a text. It's a label in UIKit, but the text in SwiftUI. Okay, what do you need for that? Text. Alright, text. Alright, and item, because the text has such type of initializer. It's title. So we're gonna add title here. Alright, title. Okay, I saw that it's a foreground style white and a little bit of font. I selected font title 3, like to be optimal for us. Okay, let's see. Let's run. Let's run and see what it's properly rendered on the UI. On the UI, so here is the UI we are transforming from UIKit to SwiftUI. All right, we're good to go. So actually, we have two SwiftUI views that the text in our case is on top of the image. All right, okay. We are in good shape. Right now, I'm gonna do the following. According to the transformation we are going to follow. So let's move the text. Let's move the text left leading. Okay, left side. I'm leading. For that, I'm gonna use vstack. I'm embedding manually in a vstack because we don't have such embed functionality in UIKit. I could see. All right, but we embedded this in a vstack. Okay, but also we want to push it down. All the thing it's needed to do just to use spacer. I'm gonna use this spacer class. Let's see what do we have. So let's see. Okay, burgers. Okay, cool. So we have our functionality come to the realistic. Okay, so next we could show that the image and vstack, I mean the text, we could see the text actually it's in the middle, but I would like to make it to be on the bottom. I would like to be on the bottom leading style. All right, this is in few words. Alignment. Okay. Alignment. I'm gonna use bottom leading alignment. Okay, and let's see what I have by aligning the Z stack. So you see, I'm not aligning the V stack. I want all components that are in the Z stack to be aligned to the bottom leading. All right. What do we have? Here we go. Oh, cool. So the images are perfectly fine, and the title, it's okay, but I'm gonna add some padding. All right. How correctly say it? A padding in the leading and on the bottom. All right. Let's see how I could achieve that. So I'm gonna use padding modifier, insets. Here we go. Manually, I have to deal with. So leading. 6 will be enough, I think. Bottom 6 will be enough, and trailing it's actually 0. All right. Let's see if we are on the good shape. Okay. Perfectly. Okay. All right. Okay. But as you see, it's not, the title is not such readable. It's not readable. Okay, all right. Sorry, I made some changes that I didn't want to. All right, right now I'm gonna use this linear gradient. Start color and linear gradient. Okay, let's use flat gradient. Okay, once gradient. Okay, colors. Oh, an array of colors. All right, I'm gonna define array of colors. I'm gonna start with clear color, and the next color I'm gonna use is gonna be black, probably, with opacity like 0.45. I think it's enough. Let's gonna use the gradient. Okay, let's make a little bit nicer our code. Starting point, unit point. So this is, okay, I'm gonna use top trailing, doesn't matter actually. And point, it's bottom leading. Okay, all right. Let's move from the top trailing to the bottom. All right. So according to our imagination, we should have right now a gradient applied. Okay, according to the Z stack, right now, we should have image. On the top of the image, we should have gradient with color clear to black with opacity set. All right. Okay. Text in the bottom leading corner. And what next? It's the text itself. All right, let's see. Let's see. What do we have? Cool. Okay. All right, perfect. So right now we are in the good shape. Okay. What next? What is next? I could see that we have rounded corners. Okay, let me show you one thing. Okay, corner. Okay, corner radius 10. Let me show you one thing that usually UI intends to do in UIKit. So when you apply the corner radius to the layer of the image, you see image applied this modifier corner radius to 10, but the gradient also remained, so no modification to the gradient. So all we could do is to corner radius. Yes, bingo. So actually let me see. Let me see right now. Oh, bingo. So actually we have right now image rounded and the gradient also applied with corner radius. Okay, but it's not a good thing. So we are repeating ourselves. So in our case, I'm gonna remove do not repeat ourselves. We are gonna use dry principle right here. So according to the documentation, this tag is also a view. So if it's a view, we could use corner radius modifier right there, and let's see if our intention is perfectly good or not. Let's check. Good, perfect. So we don't have any square images or square gradient. So the logic here is we applied this modifier to the all childs of the Z stack. Okay. All right. Okay, this sounds good, but what about this code should be in the collection view cell for item method? I don't think so. So for that, I think the best approach is to move them in a separate view. Okay. In a separate view. In a separate view, for the beginning, we are gonna move just this code. Just this code, and I already have the view created. Okay, and I've tried a lot of you could ignore that. Okay, it's perfectly fine. So I've created already the submenu view that has the gradient, that has the Z stack with gradient. We could call the gradient right straight away, and because it's a view, and the V stack with all the components. All right, okay. All right, we have the submenu view, but also I'm injected the receive view model. Okay, no problem. What do you need for that? Is just to delete this code and call submenu view. All right, with view model, and I'm gonna create let's say view model. Okay, receive view model. I'm gonna initialize it. Let's align it. Okay, item image title. Sorry, title, not image. I'm not gonna mix them. Okay, item instructions according to the recipe. All right, item and image. Okay, now I'm gonna inject the view model. Let's see. Let's see what we have. According to our modification, all the logic we saw here and we moved to our view, custom view, okay, we should see the same UI. As you see, very easily we actually refactored the codes, and we have right now SwiftUI component used in UIKit. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.